Hi, today we will be looking at the end user portal for the Nuvepro hands-on learning platform. So let me start by sharing my screen. This is the landing page for Nuvepro. This URL is our demo login for the demo login, and this can be customized or it can be white labeled as per your organization needs. So I will log in and my username password is saved. So I'm just logging quickly here. And when you come in here, there's a new term here called a skill bundle. This is the Nuvepro's term, and you can also understand it as a learning path. A skill bundle can include one or more of Nuvepro's hands-on learning solutions. There is the first one is a playground or a sandbox, which is a pre-configured environment. It can be virtual machine, cloud accounts, big data clusters, etc. The second one is a guided project. It's a real-world project with steps to achieve an objective. The third one is a subjective assessment, which is a real-world project with no steps to solve. I will take you through some of the skill bundles which we have here. Starting off with a fairly simple one, which is a Visual Studio Web IDE. Here you can see this icon is orange, and this is reserved for anything which is a playground lab in Nuvepro. As soon as I log into it, the lab gets going in terms of starting the lab, and it starts in a few moments. And when I click on that, you will see the VS Code environment come up in a browser. You don't have to install anything on your local machine. Here, for demonstration purpose, we have populated code from three different languages, Python, Java, and C++. But this can be used for learning or teaching programming across any of the different languages and packages which is supported by VS Code. I can run this code here and you can see this code ran. Let me go back to my dashboard now and look at a different kind of lab environment or a skill bundle. And here it is in AWS Cloud Developer. This skill bundle has got a lot more activities compared to the previous one. Anything with a blue icon is a guided project, and anything with a green icon is an assessment. Let me go to one of them, which is about an S3 access point. So this is a guided project. So we'll start with telling you what the S3 access point is. And then when you say continue project, it will take you to the set of activities which needs to be done as part of this project here. Again, the lab is loading. We can, in the meanwhile, see what the content looks like. So we are starting off with creating an S3 policy and then attaching it to a bucket. So here, this content has been authored by Nuvepro. However, this can also be authored by an organization which already has got content to be put up in a platform like this. So I am accessing or clicking on this Access console, and AWS supports a single sign-on. So I am quickly on to the AWS console itself. So in this console, this is in some way having restrictions which prevent you from accessing all the services and all the regions. In this case, we are enabling S3 and some associated services there. So you can follow these steps which are there in the platform and do the activities here. So this is for an AWS console. So similar to this, you can also access GCP and the Azure cloud platforms from Wipro. And here, this is an Azure Cloud Engineer project. And here again, there are a set of activities which can be completed on the Azure cloud itself. And again, you'll see it is similar. We are telling a little bit about what resource groups are on Azure, and then you will go on to the project itself, where you will have again content which is authored by Nuvepro, and this can be replaced by your own organization content. Also, if there is some videos and stuff like YouTube or maybe Udemy or Coursera, etc., we can tie this kind of guided projects even to that form of content. There is similar to Azure, there is also a GCP lab available. And as you can see here again, there is an overview and a GCP lab attached. In this particular case, it's just a playground. That's why you will see orange icon here. Right. So I think that was pretty much in terms of the access from an end user perspective of the Nuvepro platform. Thank you.